The matter, like I said, has been under discussion for quite some time now, and we were able to arrive at a settlement that I believe all parties can walk away feeling a bit satisfied. As you know, there is give and take when it comes to a settlement agreement, and judgments and awards being what they are today when it comes to defamation lawsuits. I mean, I think the damages range anywhere between $20,000 to $60,000. I think one case in Belize actually went as high as $60,000 for damages. And so there has to be a give and take whenever you're having a settlement on a defamation lawsuit. And so the outcome of today was that the Honorable Francis Fonseca will not have to pay any damages for the comments that he made, but he has agreed to issue a public retraction and apology to Senator Hulse. It is an instance where I think it could have gone either way, and I think, like I said, that is why you have some give and take. And the Honorable Francis Fonseca has no issue apologizing for a matter that may have offended Mr. Hulse. So that is what will take place. He will issue a public retraction and apology. He does not have to pay any damages for the comments made, but he will pay the legal cost of $3,000 to Mr. Hulse's attorney.
I believe the last time you guys were in court, you had said that the statements made, you considered it fair comment in the public's interest. Now we have Mr. Fonseca taking back that statement. Does he believe?
Well, that was my statement. Like I said, it's an issue that could have gone either way. My client has to weigh the pros and cons of going to a trial. And so those were my comments, those were my feelings. Certainly it was the defense of the Honorable Francis Fonseca, but at the end of the day, he is my client and I take instructions from him. So if he alters his position and is willing to apologize, I have to take those instructions and go with it.
So he believed the words he had uttered at that time were incorrect?
If they offended Mr. Hulse, he wants to apologize and correct it. Like I said, the words, if you take them literally, and the Honorable Francis Fonseca did not mean them to be taken literally. If you look back at the transcript, you will see what I'm talking about, that it could go either way if you take a literal interpretation. But certainly, the Honorable Francis Fonseca didn't mean them to be taken literally. And so he wants to clarify and apologize to Mr. Hulse, who I believe took them literally.